Hello and welcome to my video review of the Naticure Provenzal Fusion Clay Tiles. So I've laid the tiles out on my carpet here just so that I can show initially what they're like. As you can see, my 2-year-old loves them. She's having a blast with the reviewing tiles from the Home Depot Seeds program today. And I wanted to cover a few things with you today. So first off, these tiles are designed for being either floor or wall tile. They are actually plenty thick to be used in either application. To give you a reference, that's my thumb, and it's about half the thickness of my thumb. And what I actually had to request a new set of tile because the first set they bought initially was actually cracked on a few of them. They do break if they are bounced around a lot, so you got to be careful when you're handling them initially. Once they're down on the floor, though, they're pretty sturdy. You can jump around on them, all sorts. Um, you're not gonna cause damage unless you take something sharp to it and really gouge into the tile. You're not gonna damage them. There is, however, some odd features to these tiles, so it may not be obvious, and I'm gonna do a kind of a straight-on look at it here to show you. These tiles are actually not uniform from left to right and top to bottom. There's actually, on this tile, it's actually slightly taller and to the left on its center division. It's slightly left centered to that and up, and it's opposite going this way. Down and in. I don't know why that is. It seems to be on every single tile, and I don't know if they do that on purpose to give it a different dimensional look, or if it's just because their mold is just off. The other thing also is on the edge here. This is actually looking straight down at the tile, actually, from this perspective, but you can actually see the side of it. And the reason is because this tile is actually cut at a slight angle. And I don't know why they did that either. To show you, this is two tiles butted up against each other. This is literally as close as they can get. And you can see there's a gap. The reason is because of that angle on each side. It's actually pointing down, down and out on the bottom of the tile, and that's every single tile, no matter which one you go to. I've got another one here that's even more pronounced. You can see it's a pretty good gap, and you can even see on that gap where they printed the information here. So I mean, I don't know why you would do that. Why you wouldn't just cut straight down? It would seem to make it more able to be a tighter pattern if they were cut straight down, and also if they made them uniform, like I said, left and right and top and bottom. That would make more sense. So there's just some oddities to these tiles, but they're not bad tiles. I mean, if you look at these tiles here, I mean, it could make for a very nice looking floor. They'll definitely hold up to, like appliances being set on them or heavy foot traffic, things like that. I believe these are also outdoor rated, if I remember correctly. So I mean, they're very flexible in their use, but definitely make sure to check your tiles. And to show you what you want to check for, this is what happened to one of them on the first pack. One of the corners broke off, as well as it literally broke it in half. And that was just because when they were being shipped, they were probably bounced around on the truck. So the vendor did replace them, though. I didn't have any trouble getting that replacement. They said not a problem. I took a picture, sent it off, and they sent out a new box pretty quickly. I think it was within about a week I got the replacement back. So very happy though. So I'm going to be putting these in my basement. I'm actually doing a finished basement finally in the house. And these will probably go into, I'm thinking like either a small bar section that I'll build or into potentially a small closet. Well, not a small closet, but like a closet that'll be about the size of the tile that I have from the vendor for this review. So, about a 5x3 at least closet size that I could put this tile in and just give it a nice finished look. So, thank you for watching my review today, and good luck with your projects.